Yeah.
She's so cute.
She found a friend.
That was ours. Yeah,
She's cute. She's very friendly. She's trying to help her out. She's very polite.
I was just like, yeah, that is really nice because
It is.
yeah.
You don't see that with too many kids.
Well, she's the baby.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
I'm very nervous for her.
She's okay. I can run.
What then?
Ariel.
Ariel.
She's coming. She's okay.